this video, I will be going over the Bitcoin price action that is about to create a massive move anytime soon, and I will be exactly talk about this move, where Bitcoin is heading towards next, and much more. So don't forget to watch this video till the end, because I will be discussing the most important charts on the price action on Bitcoin right now. Don't forget to slap up that like button, because yesterday, yes, we once again smashed it back above 400 likes. Can we do it on today's update video? That will be absolutely incredible. So don't forget to slap up that like button, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at the Bitcoin price action on the imminent short term, we can currently see that the price action for Bitcoin has been basically going sideways for, what is it, the past 3 days. We have literally moved not an inch. Yeah, we've been moving $100 towards the upside and $100, $200 towards the downside, but basically we're still consolidating around this price of 19.2k. So what we can see actually on the imminent short term right now is that we're forming somewhat of a descending triangle. A descending triangle is a typical bullish bias formation, and actually the price target of this pattern could be bringing Bitcoin back towards the upside around levels of approximately 19.5k. However, this is also not going to be a big move that Bitcoin will be most likely create. It's an approximately 1.5% move. It will be a little bit of a volatile move if it is going to be happening, and of course we will be anticipating this target to be happening if we do break above the most important level of resistance here on the top side. But if I am looking at the 1 hour time frame right now, I can start to see, of course, we are forming that lower high structure together with the higher low structure, like you can clearly see right now. And so far, if I look at the previous low on the market, we have not breached below the previous low, and we've also not broken above the previous high, what means that currently we are in a consolidation phase. And once I am going to be looking at this consolidation phase at a larger time frame, like the 4 hourly time frame, you can see that we are seeing a significant trend line that basically got us rejected multiple times in a row. Like you can see here on the top side, rejection once, rejected twice, rejected for the third time, and here once again rejected for the fourth time. So this is a crucial level for Bitcoin to be breaking above, and together with the upward sloping support line, we can currently start to see, okay, Bitcoin is forming higher lows together with lower highs, means that the price action is getting squeezed in towards that apex, like you can currently see right here, and we have to be choosing a direction anytime soon. And about what time frame you're maybe wondering I'm talking about, it is in the time frame within 1 day. So in the coming 24 hours, I am expecting that Bitcoin is going to create a massive move, and I will be straight away also talk about my price targets, because in case Bitcoin is going to be breaking towards the upside, I will be aiming for targets somewhere around the $21,000, what also comes very much together with this very important previous level of support, what will most likely flip into resistance. And I mean, basically going to be my take profit target if Bitcoin is going to be breaking bullish, because yes, if we do break bullish, I will be going in with a long position. If we do break bearish, I will be going in with a shorting position. So once looking at the price target towards the downside, let me measure this straight away as well. We are going to be aiming for targets around at 17.3k, and actually once again, this is also a very interesting level. And the reason why I'm saying so is, if I look at the complete trend we have been trading in, we can see the lowest point on June here for Bitcoin was also around that 17.6k target. So it would be making a lot of sense to do somewhat of a liquidity grab for Bitcoin, come down towards this level, because there's probably a lot of liquidity left in towards the market, and most certainly the volatility will significantly pick up if we do come down towards that range of 17.6k here. And actually, I wouldn't be surprised if we are at least going to be touching it. And I mean, honestly, if I do look at the trend right now, if I remove all the drawings and I'm just going to be looking purely at the price action right now, I can definitely see, okay, Bitcoin is forming a lower high every single time. We're trading in a downtrend. We're forming lower lows every single time. So for me, it's going to be hard to deny the fact that we're currently in a downtrend, and that most certainly this pattern is also going to be breaking bearish again. So these are just effects of the market right now. I am not bearish on the long term for Bitcoin. However, on the imminent short term, I do think that Bitcoin could be breaking down potentially in that coming 24 hours ahead of herself. So let's see how that is going to be playing out. And if you actually want to be opening a trade on this exact breakout, I would recommend to check out Bybit, because if you right now do sign up a new account using my highest link in the description, deposit $1,000, you will be getting a free 1,000 US dollars in Ethereum, long or short, whatever you prefer. So make sure to check out this bonus because currently there's only 13% left here, and it's basically first come, first serve. So yeah, if the supply runs out, you will not able to claim your deposit bonus anymore. And this is literally a free 1,000 US dollars. So go to the link in the description right now, sign up a new account, deposit $1,000 and claim your reward. Furthermore, once looking at Bitcoin on that daily time frame, we can start to see, of course, that significant downtrend from the previous all-time high. And we do know this is a downtrend that has been here for over 327 days. And yeah, if I really zoom in towards this downtrend, you can see every single time we got rejected by it, and actually right now we're also breaking below very important level of daily support. So that is pretty unfortunate to see, but however, I want to be real, keep my focus on this important downward sloping resistance line. If we do break above it, I will be definitely flip bullish on Bitcoin. So for me as well, it's going to be important to see this level getting broken. If you are interested in this level as well, and if you want to stay up to date once we do break above it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now here, because if you do subscribe and slap up the bell notification as well, you will be getting notified on all the updates on the channel right here. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now. Then also another reason why I do think Bitcoin is going to be having that big move in the coming 24 hours ahead of ourselves is this chart from the Bollinger Bands. And if I do look also at the Bollinger Bands width, we can currently see that we're having an historical signal that flashed 3 times before. And historically speaking, once this signal flash, major volatility is imminent. I'm not saying that the volatility have to kick in today or tomorrow, but at least it's going to be happening this or next week. It's going to be happening anytime soon, and you should be getting ready for that big volatility spike. You can see the Bollinger Bands is really getting squeezed in as well right here, and due to that fact, we're seeing the price, the Bollinger Bands becoming very narrow, and due to that fact, we are expecting volatility is going to be imminent after also seeing Bitcoin basically going sideways for the past 46 days here. So get ready and expect volatility for Bitcoin right now. A moment ago, I talked, of course, about the daily downtrend, but if I put on the weekly time frame, you can also start to see on the weekly time frame, it's basically the same downtrend. We've currently been trading in a downtrend for over 46 weeks. This is a crazy downtrend, and actually I should adjust it because I think it's currently 47 weeks. Yeah, it is even 47 weeks right now. That is absolutely insane. This is also going to be the trend line to be breaking above in order to be flipping bullish for Bitcoin. And like you can see, basically every single time we've basically touched this level, we got rejected, we moved lower, and if we can finally break above it, and like you can see, the Bitcoin price action is right now coming towards a point where a breakout of this level is purely going to be inevitable. So very exciting, and once we do break above this level, I will definitely keep everyone notified, because that is going to be a huge signal we should be looking out for. Then also, I want to be still pointing out here, my strategy remains to be the same. I am dollar cost averaging in towards the market every single day, because I do think these valuations right now for Bitcoin are definitely worth it. Also, what we can see currently is that on the Bitcoin price action, the weekly time frame, we are forming a bullish divergence. We are forming a lower low on, of course, the price action, while in fact the RSI is forming a higher low. This is an historical signal because Bitcoin doesn't really create bullish or bearish divergence that often on the weekly time frame. We did create the last bearish divergence from the previous all-time high, and ultimately that moved us down significantly. Like you can see, the price action was forming a higher high and the RSI a lower high, and due to that fact, we moved down significantly. And right now we're forming a bullish divergence with the RSI forming a higher low and the price action forming a lower low. So I do think it's a good range for accumulation, and due to that fact, I am still dollar cost averaging in towards the market every single day, because once Bitcoin reverses, it will reverse very quickly. And also this chart right here, when is the bear market ending? That's the most common question I basically see. And once looking at the previous bear markets, basically the bear market ended once on the 3-day time frame, the EMA ribbon flipped green again. And like you can see, the downtrends on the EMA ribbon were very significant. They were very long. And like you can see over here, this downtrend right here in the 2018-2019 bear market took over 380 days, and once we broke above it, that was ultimately the signal that Bitcoin moved up again and that we were entering bullish markets again. And like you can see, currently we've been trading in a downtrend for over 270 days. So is it going to take another 100 days from here on? That means that we will be potentially see that bottom, that we will be potentially see that end stage of the bear market around the end of 2022 in December or January 2023. So that is extremely close right now here. I am definitely getting ready for this big move here. And usually once the bottom is in, it takes a while before Bitcoin is actually going to be moving up again. But the bottom was already formed as well right here, right? So the bear market ended approximately 100 days later after the bottom already was formed. So due to that fact, I am currently dollar cost averaging in towards the market. I do think these valuations are definitely worth it. Of course, do your own research, make up your own strategy. But my strategy right now is to get a position in towards the market. Anyways, this was it for today's update video. If you do enjoy the content, smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn how to copy trade, check out the video that's currently popping up above. Or if you want to be making passive income around 60 to 70% returns on a yearly basis, check out the other video that's also currently popping up above. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.